Innovation is the cornerstone of success in America. In order to compete in the global marketplace, businesses and individuals are continuously striving to stay ahead of the game. I'm Terry Bradshaw. From emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. Building a better future often means correcting the mistakes of the past. After years of neglect, the time has come to clean up our act. Let's learn what's being done to make a difference. The most vital commodity to the world's farmers has always been the source of life itself, water. We continue to study this crucial resource, and we now know more about water at the molecular level. As they naturally occur, water molecules group together in clusters, many of which are too large to pass through the cell membranes of plants or animals. Through a magnetic process, we can now enhance water to make it more accessible to the cells of growing things and less accommodating to toxins and waterborne diseases.
Most water doesn't deliver enough minerals and oxygen to the plants. The oversized water molecule clusters and makes water hard and less efficient. This negatively affects the health of plants, animals, and people, as well as industries that use water for heating, cooling, sterilization, and washdown systems.
Through a process called hydrodynamic magnetic resonance, water can actually be made more productive.
Our area of expertise deals with the little understood science of magnetics, more specifically applying the right magnetic resonance on water to make it more productive, more soluble, and more dissolvable. This technology is perfect for today's world, where we have to be able to do more with less.
This magnetized water is more effective in delivering oxygen and nutrients while flushing away toxins from the cells. The system has been proven in the field and in tests to cleanse irrigation pipes from calcium and mineral deposits. Its value to living organisms is now being understood on a broader scale.
If you go to bake a cake, you have to have a lot of ingredients and you got to put them together in the right order. And if you don't get the results you might expect. The same happens with farming. If you don't have all the right ingredients and put them all together in the right order, you don't have a good results. And this Omni machine is one of those little ingredients that makes a big difference in the end.
As an organic farmer, Omni systems have helped twofold. Because the water molecules are properly aligned, it creates soft water, which means that the water molecule is much more permeable in the soil. 2, nutrients are much more available, which increases the vitality and strength of the plant, and its overall appearance and sheen are much more vital. You can see the plant is much more alive with Omni systems being used.
With a smaller, more uniform molecular structure, magnetically treated water flows more easily than raw water. This reduces the mechanical and energy requirements for irrigating a farm.
Farmers have reported dramatic increases using the Omni system. Over 100 more boxes of corn per acre, 609 more melons per acre, 21% increase in broccoli, 24% increase in lettuce. We're seeing pistachio trees with larger, healthier clusters of fruit. We're getting much better seed germination. All of this using less water. Water that works harder.
Magnetized water washes away 3 to 4 times more of the salt typically found in soil. It carries fewer pathogens as well, promoting the health of crops, herds, and people.
The technology's shown significant increases in yield, great responses to the resources the plant requires from the soil, nutrients, food, and water. The quality of the water has certainly proposed a healthier plant and a healthier and better quality product for both the grower and the consumer.
We make water more productive, more soluble and dissolvable, while reducing environmental impact and lowering overall costs. This offers more plant for less water, and more importantly, better health with less water.